Find the Thevenin equivalent at terminals AB of the circuit in figure. We have to find VTh and RTh of this circuit. Solution. First of all, we will redraw the circuit. Now to find RTh, we will short circuit the voltage source and open circuit the current source. This will be open circuited because this is a current source, and this will be short circuited because this is a voltage source, and this will be RTh. So RTh will be equal to, RTh is equal to this 20 ohm plus 10 ohm parallel with 40 ohm. 10 ohm parallel with 40 ohm. So this will be 20 plus, this will be 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40. So 20 plus 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40. So it is 28 ohm. This is the value of RTh. Next we have to find VTh. So to find VTh, let's assume this is node V1 and this is node V2. Let's say this is reference node with 0 voltage. Let's say this is current I1, this is current I2, and this is current I3. Now we can apply nodal analysis here to find the value of V1 and V2. So apply KCL at node V1. So at node V1, KCL will be summation of all the entering current. Entering current at this node is I1 is equal to summation of all the leaving current. Leaving current is I2 plus I3 plus 3. I2 plus I3 plus 3. This will be I1 is equal to, I1 is 40 minus V1 by 10. 40 minus V1 by 10 is equal to I2. I2 is V1 minus 0 by 40. V1 minus 0 by 40, then plus I3. I3 is V1 minus V2 by 20. V1 minus V2 by 20 plus 3. So this will be 40 by 10 minus V1 by 10 minus V1 by 40. This will be minus V1 by 20, and this will be plus V2 by 20, then minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this will be minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 not plus 120 because this is V2. Only minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 20 this will be minus 7 by 40. Minus 7 by 40 V1, and this will be 4 minus 3 will be plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus V2 by 20 plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be minus 7 by 40 V1 plus V2 by 20 is equal to minus 1. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now we will apply KCL at node V2. Apply KCL at node V2. So entering current at this node is 3 plus I3. 3 plus I3 is equal to leaving current. Leaving current at this node is 0. So this will be 0. So 3 plus I3 is V1 minus V2 by 20. V1 minus V2 by 20 is equal to 0. So this will be V1 by 20 minus V2 by 20 is equal to minus 3. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2 we get, solving equation 1 and 2 we get mod 5 1. This will be minus 7 by 40 plus 1 by 20 minus 1. This will be 1 by 20. 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20 minus 3. So V1 is equal to 32 volt and V2 is equal to 92 volt. What we have to find? We have to find VTH. This will be VTH, and VTH is equal to V2. VTH is equal to V2. VTH is equal to V2. Therefore, VTH is equal to 92 volt. What we have to find? We have to find Thevenin equivalent at terminals AB of the circuit. So to find Thevenin equivalent circuit, we need RTH. This is the value of RTH, 28 ohm, and VTH. VTH is 92 volt. Its Thevenin equivalent circuit will be Thevenin's resistance in series with Thevenin's voltage. This will be positive, this will be negative. This is terminal A and B. So this is A, this is B, this is RTH, which is equal to 28 ohm. RTH is 28 ohm. And this is VTH, which is 92 volt. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.